Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn how to create subtitles using Amazon Transcribe service of AWS. So first of all I will take you through to the steps that I will explain in that particular video. So here you can see first of all we will create a S3 bucket and upload a video. For that we want to create the subtitles. In my case this bucket is already created. Then we will create another bucket to store the transcription output. Again, in my case, this is already created. Then we will create a transcription job using the Amazon Transcribe service with all the required configurations. And this is the main step where we define everything related to the subtitles. Then after the job will be successfully created, we will go to the output bucket, and there we will see we will have two files .srt or .vtt. So we will check them files. Basically these are the transcription scripts. We will check .srt or .vtt files. Then we will download both the files and store them at the same location with video. And then basically VLC media player is something which supports that transcription scripts. So I will run the video on VLC media player and you will see how the subtitles are working. So happy learning. Let's start this particular process. So here I am into the Amazon S3 console. I have two buckets basically, my dummy bucket and another is my subtitle output. So under this bucket I have this video Amazon Transcribe MP4, and there is another bucket which is my subtitle output. So this bucket will contain the output of the Amazon Transcribe job. So let's go to the Amazon Transcribe panel. Here I will click on create transcription job. So first of all I will have to give some name, my demo script. I will click on a specific language, else you can select automatic language identification as well. In my case my video is in English, so I want the subtitles in English itself, so I will choose English. Here I will choose journal model, and here I will choose the S3 bucket URL from which is basically source for the video file. So I will click on browse. I will select the bucket, source bucket, and I will select the video and choose. Then I will define the output data. So basically we have two options: service managed S3 bucket and customer specified S3 bucket. The only difference in between them is the expiration duration. So 90 days is the expiration duration for the service managed bucket, and in the customer specified S3 bucket, that depends on you what you want to set for the expiration date. So I will choose the customer specified bucket, and then I will have to specify the bucket URL as well. So I will choose that bucket. Okay. I will select both the files, SRT or VTT. These files are very important for the subtitles. Here I will select one and I will click on next. Here I will keep all the things as it is and just simply click on create job. Now my job is in progress and it will be created soon. I have reloaded the page just to check if the status has been updated. is still in progress, so let's wait for a few seconds. Meanwhile, let me show you the output bucket as well. So yes, there is a file, write access check file.temp has been created. Let's reload this transcription job page again. So the status is complete. Now let's go to the output bucket. So my subtitle output is my output bucket, and here I will reload this, and we will see my demoscript.json, my demoscript.srt, and my demoscript.btt files has been created. Let's download srt and btt files. So I have already downloaded these files in this folder and renamed them according to my video name, just to simplify the things. So I will edit both the files in editor and will show you like how these files has been created and what is the output in those files. So here you can see it is showing time duration, like from start to till 0 seconds. This is the text. Then again from 2 seconds to 7 seconds, this is the text, and so on. So it is complete. It is containing all the subtitles of the video. So now what we need to do, we need to place both of the files .srt or .btt along with our video, and post that we can run the video in the VLC player, and we will see like this video will be showing the subtitles. Sorry. So here I have VLC media player.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will learn about Amazon Transcribe. Amazon Transcribe is a ML and AI service basically used for speech to text conversion. So in this video, first of all, we will understand.
So you can see this video is showing the subtitles, and this is how the subtitle things work with Amazon Transcribe service. I hope this video will help you to understand the concept of subtitles and how to create the subtitles using Amazon Transcribe. In my next video, I will show you how we can manage these steps programmatically using S3 and the transcribe services along with the Lambda function. So whenever like a video will be uploaded in the S3, so these things will be created automatically using the Lambda function that I will show you in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for time.